All right, so we're here at our mid-year update at Tapestry. And even though we've got some of the world's best beaches just 5 minutes to our east, Jason Dinnan, our project manager, still thought that he'd go to Fiji and spend the last week on the beach. So you've got me for the update. As you can see, we're down inside the hole here at Tapestry, which will form the basement for the project. So you can see where we were just before is down at basement 2 level. We're now back up towards basement 1, and you can see behind me here we've got the excavator on site loading out material. So about 1,000 cubic metres of sand is being loaded off site each day at the moment. The other major activity that's been taking place, which you'll be able to see, is we've been installing steel bracing. So metre diameter tubes that are going from one side on the angle of the retention system wall to the other. Those are crucial to ensure the structural integrity of those retention system walls as we start to dig the basement down. You can imagine there's a lot of earth load as well as water load on the outside of those walls that's trying to push them in, so that steel's going to hold them in place. The next major task will be, as we dig down to basement 2, we're going to have to install another row of temporary bracing, which will then support the lower level of the basement, allowing us to dig down basement 3, install our raft slab, and then start to install our slabs as we come back towards ground level. All of this steel that you can see is temporary, so you won't see these when the building's done, and they will be replaced by those concrete slabs, which will form the final structure of the basement. So lots of exciting activity here on site, and the whole Sierra team, like our future residents, are really excited to see some visual progress happening here behind us. The last 6+ months has really been about getting that foundation for this 22-storey building that's here on Chevron Island absolutely perfect, to ensure that Tapestry stands the test of time for many decades to come for our residents. Over the next 4 weeks before our next update, we're going to see the excavation for basement 2 completed, and then our second row of temporary bracing installed. That task is going to take around about 4 weeks. So next time that we're here on site and Jason's back from his holiday, hopefully we're getting towards the back end of installing that second row of bracing and ready to dig down to basement 3, install the first of our basement slabs and start coming back towards ground.